What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to do a quick video today, more of like a DIY, something different. I'm currently redoing my room. I have stuff literally everywhere, and I have this photo board that I've had for a million years, and I've pinned a ton of things on my Pinterest board, and I want to change it up and do something different. So I just wanted to share. Whoa, pictures are falling. I just wanted to share what I'm doing, how I'm redoing it, and yeah, so stay tuned and see the process of what I'm doing. Okay, so I do want to keep some photos, but I have a ton of magazines and I want to do like some cutouts and make it more of like kind of vision board or like, I don't know, something kind of like that, in that mode. So vision board-esque slash like memo board slash memory board kind of thing. So we will see what I come up with. Alright, it's a few days later and I just realized I never shared my board with y'all. So we're about to do that right now. Show you guys what I did and what I added, and yeah, hold on. So here's my board. I added some of my own photos, like recent photos here, and I cut out a bunch of magazine clippings and like inspiration, like style inspiration and stuff like that, and inspirational words, and just kind of set a whole mood. I really like how it came out. I might add a few things, might take a few things out. Haven't decided yet, but I like it, and it's gonna go on my wall right near, kind of near the window. I'll show you guys where I'm gonna put it. So I decided to put it here on the wall. It's kind of near the window. I'm gonna get a new desk and stuff like that. So all of this stuff will be gone, and I'm getting new storage. And I'm also getting a wall calendar, and I have a chalkboard and other things that I'm gonna be adding to the wall. So it won't be by itself. But yeah, that's one project down and so many more things to go. And I'll show you guys what I'm doing with my room as I go along. But yeah, that's it for today's video and today's project, or this week's project I should say. As I get more things in, as I build up my room, I'll be sharing different parts and kind of putting everything together and showing a full-on like redo. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.